How to fix there was a problem while playing video on YouTube app on your Android. So if you want to fix there was a problem while playing video on YouTube app on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to just go with SIM cards and mobile network. And from here, you need to go with the SIM. You need to tap on your SIM card, or you need to go with your SIM card settings. Once you go with your SIM card settings, you will have your access point names. You will have an option of access point names. You need to tap on the access point names and you need to reset that APN. And once you reset, you need to go back and open up your YouTube. After opening your YouTube, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. And from the profile, you need to go with your settings. You will have the gear-shaped icon, which is on the top right. And here you will have your history and privacy. You need to just tap on your history and privacy. Under that, you will have your clear watch history option. So you just need something go with your manage all history or watch history. And you need to clear your watch history. Once you clear your watch history or once you clear your YouTube history, you need to go back and open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps, go with manage apps. Under manage apps, you need to go and search for YouTube. And once you search, you'll find the YouTube application. You need to tap on YouTube. And from the YouTube, you need to just scroll down or just go with the bottom where you will have clear data option. So you need to tap on clear data and then you can go with clear cache. Tap on it and tap on OK. And once you clear your cache, now you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix there was a problem while playing video on your YouTube app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.